Recording. Hey guys, so I just finished my lunch and then a huge bird hit my house. I don't know if it's still there. Probably is. I'll show you guys. I put a bat next to it. I don't know why. I might take it out. I don't know. And Drury is being an idiot. And Drury is being fed. He is pretending he is the bird. Goddamn camera, focus. No, okay, you don't want to focus.
You see the bird?
Drury, I'm gonna take away the bite. There. And it's bleeding. Hit the window. Hello. It's still alive, I can tell, but God. I'll be back on the camera, it's not as blurry.